SOD here. I am actually here with my good friend GS. This is what happened. This isn't the Memorial Day flooding. Remember that video I actually did with my good friend Sherlock? It's actually the day after this. Look at all the damage done to my house. Sorry. This is a real life video. Look at all that. My whole road is damaged.
I just worked.
Your road wasn't damaged, okay?
No, I mean the street.
We are picking up trash everywhere. All but two of my pets, well, three of my pets survived. 2 of my chickens and my dog. In the background. This whole road is destroyed. There's a lot of puddles here. Look at that. Look at that. That's trash. Look, I'm gonna zoom in over there. Look at that. Look at that. And then there's that total card back there. That's actually one of my other friends. This house. Their grandparents got stuck in a car, but someone saved them. Ah! Really? You got stuck? Yeah, we are wearing galoshes to clean up. Dude, you need to stop getting stuck in the mud. It's getting tiring.
Mother Earth.
Ha ha ha. Mother Earth was nice enough not to let the tornado hit our house. Yeah, so a tornado almost hit our house. One. And then it almost hit our school once too. But it turned around and went to San Marcos. Whatever! So, this is the aftermath of what's happened. Like, I mean, the whole fence is destroyed. There's a total car. I mean, like, if you see my Instagram, you would have seen me scared as a chicken drowning, I guess. My dad's toolbox is all the way over there. I mean, we have to park on the side of the road just to be at our house.
We offer your mom to park in our property.
And look at this. This is from the flooding. Huh? Damn. Yeah. Okay, I will.
You can record it.
Okay. Yeah, my dog's right behind us. Look, this is what happened. Dude, really? And that's what GS did. Yeah, I think the phone towers are down. I mean, I can't even reach my cousin. Well, my godbrother, actually.
Hey, wanna check out that new river?
Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I said, dude, really? Really, dude? Yes, really. I'm bad. Why are you walking through that stuff? Yeah, there's a new river. This is like, that's his house. That's his house. That's his property right there. Dude, leave it alone. We already have enough damage. We don't want you damaging our property all over again. Yeah, there's a new river now. Apparently, that's what I was trying to say. Look at that. This is our whole road. Our whole road. It's devastated. This is just an aftermath. Look at that. Look at that. This the new river you're talking about? It leads straight to our pond.
It's the pond.
Go back with Amanda. Go back with Amanda, Mona. Here's my dog. Hey. No. George, watch Mona.
Okay, get up. Oh.
Yeah. So, this is real bad. This is devastating. This is real devastating. Oh my God! Really? Really? What, the Jeffrey Pig? Look at that. Look at that. This is real bad. Real bad. Yeah, I want show some support. I am gonna show you the river. I'm gonna let GS talk on this.
No.
I guess not. Look, this is devastating. Quit playing in the water. Look at this. Hey, Mona, come here. Mona, don't get ahead of us. Don't go ahead. Okay. Come on. Mona, get over here. Crazy dog. Yeah, we can't show you the river yet. It's pretty bad still. And our whole road is devastated. Completely devastated. This is a Sunday too. Sunday night football or church. It's really bad. These rocks weren't here before. Careful, remember what your mom said, GS.
Wait, that's the rocks.
Look, this is from our road. So this is not GS. This is SLD signing out, or as you know me, Skylands dude, signing out. So I'm gonna show you one last shot of the river before I go. Bye.